Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has shown a bearish reaction yesterday. We talked about that though in the last video already. I highlighted to you that it's possible that this white wave 2 has topped in a so-called running flat structure. And then, when I switched the PC on this morning, we've indeed seen a further decline. However, we have not broken yet the micro support area. So from here, the yellow scenario, which is the short-term bullish count, still has a chance. So let's take a look at the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios and what the relevant pivots are where the price can still turn around without completely invalidating one of the two. So short-term bearish count, overall, the assumption is that this is an overall correction. It's clearly visible. It is a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend, however. Okay, so this move, I'm talking about the move that started on the 14th of March. I see this as a pullback, as a correction, currently visible, or we can currently see this as a so-called WXY structure. And this WXY structure could still be unfolding. That's the short-term bearish count as highlighted there in white. In this scenario, we are obviously in the Y wave, and the Y wave consists of an A, B, C structure. The C wave seems to be unfolding still right now, and that C wave is sort of developing right now, and it is a 5-wave move. And as per the micro analysis, it looks as if this was a wave 1, which bottomed around the 25th of April. The move here sideways, more or less, was a wave 2, possible as a running flat. This could still morph. It's possible that the B wave is this. That would be very bearish because it's a very, very much, very strongly overshooting B wave to the downside. But at the moment, until proven otherwise, I prefer that this is the count. And then we topped in wave C yesterday, and this is now a third wave to the downside, for which I've added a micro target zone, which is defined between 58,970 and 57,400 basically, for that third wave there to the downside. And this is sort of an additional area I've added, an area of interest that we can watch in case the price declines further. Then typically we say sort of the bare minimum a third wave should do is it should reach the 1.236 extension, and in this case that is 58,970. To confirm the white scenario further, so first of all, it is crucial, it is absolutely crucial that the price stays below the last high. So we need to stay below that sort of 64,000, what is that, $200 level, which is yesterday's high. The price needs to stay below that because a break above it would completely invalidate at least the microstructure. As I said, the microstructure can still morph, and the next level that is relevant to the upside is 66,400. So as long as this level then stays intact, we could still try to attempt a third wave, even if the wave 2 resets a little bit higher. So there are very clearly two levels that really matter, let's say for the bears, to defend for the bears in this white short-term bearish count. The first one is 64,000. Oh no, I have to correct that. It's actually 64,400. Okay, yesterday's high. And then the next one is 66,400. And if we see further downside momentum develop from here, an additional level to take out for the bears is 61,200, because that's the critical support level in the yellow count, which is the short-term bullish scenario. So conversely, of course, the bulls need to defend that level. The bulls need to defend the $61,200 level to keep the yellow scenario alive. Even though we are trending down lower and lower, there are ways how this could still be a wave 2, for example, in a WXY structure. That's absolutely possible. I don't label the micro here. It doesn't help us in any way. The support levels and resistance levels are defined. They are more reliable. And these are anyway for the microstructure, so they are already less reliable. But the price is obviously clearly slowing down since it entered that support area. I've just moved it over to the left, but this is really the support area, and the price has started to slow down. It just hasn't been able to generate a buy reaction, or the bulls haven't been able to to take the price out of this orange support zone and above resistance. So at the moment, with lower lows and lower highs, until we see an impulse to the upside that would take us at least above yesterday's high, there is no clear evidence that the yellow count is going to be followed, even though it's still possible. So probabilities remain very balanced, but with the latest declines, it seems like the white count is in control. And then the last low here, obviously, or the next low should be the last one, waves 3, 4, 5. Ideally, okay. And there is some Fibonacci confluence around 57,400, 57,500. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.